Hello and welcome to the new automation tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can set up your own AI node assistant like a mad scientist. To work with this automation, you need to join on 4 different platforms which are make.com, dropbox.com and airtable.com and openai.com. To create the Airtable base, you need to go to Airtable and register for your account, and then from here you can create a new base for your automation. Let's click create and select start from scratch, so you can set up a fresh table for your automation purpose. As you can see here, this is a default table which is from Airtable. So we need to customize this table in order to work with our automation. First of all, we need to rename our base. Whatever the name you like, you can enter it here. So let's add it as AI Node Assistant. And here you can rename your table. Let's name it as transcript and summaries. Here you can see we have already 4 fields by default in Airtable. So we need to customize these fields. As you can see here, I have already customized my table. In this table, we have a title field, which is a long text field. So you can double click on it and select long text as the field type. In the next field, we have is transcript. This is also a long text field. And then we have the final summary and transcript, which is also a long text. And also you can enable the rich text formatting to be able to view the text in a formatted text. And then the original audio file which was uploaded to Dropbox, we are having here it as an attachment. Next we need to set up dropbox.com. After you have registered to dropbox.com, you need to create a new folder called AI Notes. So whenever you upload a new audio file to this folder, it will trigger the scenario. Either way, you can upload it from your PC, or even if you have installed Dropbox app on your mobile, you can directly record the audio in the application itself. For testing, I will upload the file from my PC. So this is the audio file I have for testing.
Okay, this is the mad scientist, and I'm walking through the property at 109 South.
So here we have the audio file for testing. Next, we need to set up OpenAI API key. To get an API key, you need to go to openai.com and from products, click on API login. From there, you can log in to your OpenAI account. And from here, click on API. From this drawer, you need to click on API keys. After you have purchased the paid plan, you can create a custom new secret key from here. Let's move to the scenario creation part. So this is where we will create our automation workflow. In order to set up this workflow, you need to register on make.com, and after registration, you can create your own scenario by clicking on this create a new scenario button. So this is the scenario workflow builder. Either you can create the scenario by yourself, or you can import the blueprint that we have already built. So you just need to set up the connection and you are ready to go. So first of all, go to the document and download the blueprint for this automation. Click on the link to download the blueprint. After that, click on the more button and click import blueprint. choose the file you have downloaded from here, and after that click save. So you can see here our scenario has been already imported. So you just need to configure the connections and then you will be able to run this scenario. So here you can see we have a Dropbox module which watches the files from Dropbox. So whenever there is a new file in the Dropbox folder, it will run this scenario. You need to add your connection by clicking add and click save and allow the prompt in order to add your Dropbox connection. And from here, select the folder you have just created, so which is AI nodes, and then click OK. And the next thing, we have a download file module which downloads the audio file from Dropbox. As you can see here, we have 7 different ChatGPT modules which create different type of text for the final note. So let's see one by one. First of all, we have a create transcript module which uses Whisper to transcript the audio file into text. And from the audio transcript, we will write the summary here. We have already set up all the information and the instructions to create the summary. So first of all, you need to add your connection to OpenAI. Just click add here and then paste the API key you just created on openai.com and then click on save to add your connection. Likewise, you need to set up the OpenAI connection for all of these ChatGPT modules. Go here and select the connection. If you don't have the connection, you can click on add and paste the API key and click on save to add your connection. So here we are writing a title for the note and we are creating the main points for the note and the action items here, and also we have a follow-up question section, and then here we have the final summary and transcript. So click on the Airtable module and click add button to add your Airtable connection to make.com. As the connection type, select Airtable OAuth and click on save to add your connection. So in Airtable, we have a base called AI nodes and the table is transcript and summaries. Go to your scenario and select the base. As you can see, I have selected AI nodes. In the table, I have selected transcripts and summaries. Here I have mapped all the fields from the automation scenario to be entered into Airtable Base. After adding all the connection, click on this save button to save your scenario and click run once to test this scenario. So here we can see that our automation is completed without any errors. And also we have created an Airtable record from this automation. Let's go to our table and you can see that here we have a new record has been entered. So this is the title property and the title transcript from the audio we uploaded. And here we can see the final note which is created by this automation. So you can see that we have additional info here, the main points, potential action items, and follow-up questions. And finally, we have a beautifully structured note in Airtable. So I hope you enjoyed this video and successfully completed setting up your automation. If you want to set up this workflow to run every 15 minutes, go here and select the scheduling. After that, turn on this schedule from here. So from now on, this automation will run every 15 minutes and create a AI node in your Airtable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.